Welcome to Mattress Live NG. My name is Onoyanse Deborah Ogenefejiro. The headlines in politics today: Tinubu declared Nigeria's president-elect. Tinubu 8,794,726 wins 12 states. Atiku 6,984,520 wins 12 states. Obi 6,101,533 wins 11 states plus Federal Capital Territory. Kwankwaso 1,496,687 wins 1 state. Visit page 2 on Mattress newspaper for full story. Tinubu files suits to stop Labour Party PDP from halting result collation. Visit page 4 on Mattress newspaper for full story. Federal government replies Obasanjo, says call to cancel election is dubious. Visit page 10 on Mattress newspaper for full story. Amid rising tension, Jonathan Mahama meets presidential candidate to sue for peace. Visit page 5 on Mattress newspaper for full story. INEC finally declares Labour's Ireti Kingibe winner of the Federal Capital Territory Senate pool. Visit page 5 on Mattress newspaper for full story. INEC fires back at PDP. Labour Party tells them to challenge results in court too. Visit page 4 on Mattress newspaper for full story. Polls: Buhari congratulates President-elect Tinubu, pledges smooth handover. Visit page 4 on Mattress newspaper for full story. On business news today, amid sales volume depreciation, Dangote Cement reports record annual sales of $2.13 billion. The International Monetary Fund backs President Ruto's plans to hike taxes in attempt to rescue its economy. Visit page 14 on Mattress newspaper for full story. Experts tell Buhari how to tackle Nigeria's rising inflation. Visit page 15 on Mattress newspaper for full story. In entertainment news, Davido, Burna Boy, Wizkid headline Afro Nation Portugal. Rema's Calm Down sets new record. Colleagues rejoice as actors Adeniyi Johnson, Seyi Edun welcomes twins after 7 years. 2023, skit maker Macaroni raises alarm over death threats. Visit page 18 on Mattress newspaper for full story. Sports headlines: Ahmed Musa tackles Jose Peseiro over Lionel Messi's FIFA Best Prize. Serbia defeats Britain, qualifies for Basketball World Cup. Super Eagles winger Chukwueze makes La Liga Team of the Week. Visit page 19 on Mattress newspaper for full story. For more story, visit our website mattressLiveNG.com.